Yes. Good morning, children. Here we can start today's class. And in the last class, we completed that first lesson of the part 2, food for animals. In that chapter, we understood the importance of food, isn't it? Why we need to eat
Yes,
food
ma'am.
and which type of food each animal it is eating according to their food habit, according to that place where the animals are living. The different we grouped the animals into three. That all you learned, right? So human being, which type of human beings comes under which group of animal?
Omnivores.
Omnivore. That means Joseph Ivan. Omnivore means what it is, Joseph Ivan?
Means animals that eat both plant parts and flesh are omnivores.
See, I am asking Joseph Ivan. Catherine, when did you change your name into Joseph Ivan? Huh? Joseph Ivan, I want to get answer from you. I want to get answer from you, Joseph. What do you mean by omnivore? Tomorrow is the class test of this chapter, okay? Don't forget.
Tomorrow is holiday, right?
Means, then next Monday. Oh, you are all lucky. Wow. So I will select today the students for seminar also. So you will get so much days, no? So they can prepare seminar. Joseph Ivan, omnivore. Kasinath, sit properly. I can see, sit properly, keep your device in a proper place. Take your rough book also with you. Joseph, I can't hear you, Joseph.
Ma'am, he is not telling.
Yeah, he is not telling. I will call him. I will call your parent, okay? Then the audio, video, everything will come out. Okay, those students are not keeping the audio, videos and all. We will call their parents. So automatically, by some magic, it all will be all right at that time. Right? Okay. Yes, Jibichen, what you want, Jibichen?
Can I say the answer?
Yes, sure. Of course.
Animals that eat plant part and animals as their food is called as
Are called omnivores. Okay. So that all we learned. Now, so plants are the only that can produce their own food, right?
Yeah.
That can produce food. Plants are the only one. And all other animals, human beings, birds, insects, everyone, they are depending on the plants. Okay, they are depending on the plant. So in this next chapter, we are going to learn, say, by nature or by naturally, some plants are producing food, isn't it? But that plants, is it enough for us? That plant products, is it enough for us? Say in a forest, so many fruits, vegetables will be there on that plants. But will it be enough for all the human beings and animals in the world? No. So we have to cultivate that one. We have to produce it, isn't it? We have to produce it. So how many of your house is there any vegetable garden is there? See, Devadat, wait, Devadat. See, I asked only how many of your house is that vegetable garden. At that time, as it is 2 years, we are doing this online class, right? So what you want to do? You should raise your hand, or should you shout? You have to raise your. First of all, keep it muted. Okay, it is very difficult to mute, I know, but we should practice. How many of your houses have this vegetable garden? Yes, I can see lots of Catherine, Devadat, George, Gurujit, Ashwin, Ivan Eric, Joseph, Rehan Dev, Akshit, Niranjana, Dibichan, Akil, Wow, wow. I can't.
Excuse me, ma'am. I also plant the vegetables.
Hmm.
I
Okay,
have.
Christo. Okay, good. So, see from that. Okay, let me give chance to Devadatta. After that, I want to give the chance to others also. So, should
Okay,
not
ma'am.
disturb. Okay, Devadatta. What all things you planted in your vegetable garden?
Ma'am, I planted s- uh,
First
uh,
think. First thing. Then you should make yourself ready for answer. Okay. Hmm? So, which one? I am giving chance. Which plant you planted? Okay, wait. Let others to say that answer. Up to that you can check it. Okay, think about it. I will give chance. Gurujit. Yes.
Ma'am, എള്ള്.
Okay, that is there. Okay, sesame. Sesame. Okay, is it that so many are there? So many sesame crops are there?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting lot? Are you getting lot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you are doing with it, Gurujit? Do you know? Do you
Ma'am,
know? Ah, yes.
we will kept it in the sunlight.
You will keep, okay, you will take that and keep it in the sunlight for drying it. Okay. After that,
Then we eat it.
okay, it is only for your use, not for selling.
No,
You are,
ma'am.
okay. So can you, is it over? Wait. Is it over? Is that producing sesame? Is it over?
No, ma'am.
No, no. So can you next day, can you take pictures of that plant, how it is producing? Okay, how is that process of taking it? How you are drying it? That can you tell me that one, that whole thing? Can you bring that photos? Can you share it and can you explain it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So any others? Let me.
What is we want to do?
Ivana, why are you late?
Network issue, ma'am.
Huh?
Network issue.
No network issue. So wait, what it is saying in the class, wait. Okay, so let me see. Who Jibichen? I think I will get something from Jibichen. Yes, Jibichen. What you are planting at your, what it is produced at your vegetable garden?
Tomato,
Very good.
lady finger,
Lady's finger. Okay.
cucumber,
Cucumber. Okay. Okay. So, are you taking that only for your use or for selling it?
our use.
Okay, that is enough only for your use. Okay, so I think you are not producing too much, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So, Devadatta, are you ready to tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell it.
Ma'am, I plant beans, spinach,
Spinach,
lady's finger,
lady's finger,
tomato,
tomatoes,
cucumbers.
cucumbers. Okay. So, Devadatta, is these all vegetables, right? Is these all vegetables? Are it produced at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what you are doing with that products?
Ma'am, I used to make curries. for
Okay,
food.
your family. It is for the use of for your family.
Yes.
Yes. So is it so something? If it is more than your use, what you will do with it? If it
I'll
is
give to my neighbors.
neighbors, your relatives, right? Yeah. Sometimes so
And
much.
if it is many, I will eat it for the next day.
Okay. So only for your use. Sometimes if it is
Ma'am,
produced
I'll
so.
give to my neighbors, relatives, all.
So if it is so much things are there, what you want to do? You have to, you sometimes your parents will, yeah, see, wait. Plantain, see, bananas are, if it is produced, bananas at your home. Akshit, keep your legs down. Bananas at your home. Most of we may use it for our home, isn't it?
Yes.
If it is 2, 3 plantains are there, Akil, why you are raising your hand? Tell me. So many are there. Yes. Why you are raised?
Tomato, ladyfinger,
Lady's finger.
banana,
Bananas. Okay, bananas. See, if it is so many bananas are there, will you eat everything? If you are giving it to your parents, your neighbors, or to your cousins, that and all relatives, then also sometimes so many will be there. So what you will do with it? Will you selling it? Anybody is it selling it in shops? Advait.
Am I?
Advait.
In my shop, ma'am.
Oh, you have your own shop. Okay, okay, okay. So after, if it is more than their use, Advait's parents will sell it through their shop. So others will buy it by paying money, right? So this chapter is all about how to produce the food. Okay, how to produce the food. Some steps are there. It is a process, long process. So surely we need to understand about it, because we all are, we can live only with the food, isn't it? Without food, we are not magicians to live without food. So we need the food for living. Sometimes during the hartal, during some hartal times, if the lorries, lorries taking the vegetable from other state, if it is not coming to our state, what will be the effect? What will happen at that time? Will the shops in our area will get any vegetable, fruits or anything?
No.
No. So what it will happen? Nothing will be there for us to eat. And also, if we get anything, we have to pay so much, isn't it? They may take so much money for the same thing which we paid less before the hartal. This is the condition where we can. So we should know. What is hartal? You don't know hartal. Band, hartal, these all you don't know. Strike, vehicles strike. You don't know about it, Christo. Sit there. You haven't heard?
Showing something.
Devadat. You haven't heard it? Strike, bus strike, vehicle strike. Huh? No. How many of you did not know about? Okay. So Wasim, can you help Christo to explain by explaining what is strike, band, hartal, these all things?
Hartal means that day vehicles are not allowed to go out.
Okay, okay. Wherever it is that the vehicle should be there itself. It is not allowed to travel, not pass through that areas, isn't it? Understood, Christo?
Yes.
Okay. So
should
if
be
it is like that,
cut
yeah,
down.
if it is like that, we won't get any goods to, goods can't move from one state to another, one place to another. Okay. So here in this chapter, we are going to learn about this thing, that is chapter number. Can you tell me the number of the chapter? 8. Food production. So take your rough book and write it. Everyone should take your rough book. What is today's date? 3/11/21. Okay, 3/11/21, lesson 8, food production. I want to see it, everyone. I am watching it from here. Are you writing it or not? Okay. Christo, switch on your video.
Book or notebook?
Who is asking about it?
Wasim.
Wasim, come in the classes regularly. So at that time you can understand. Kashi, I want to see your full face. Keep it down. Show your face properly. Show me your rough book. Show me your rough book. Do you have the rough book, or still are you sharing your rough book with your brother? Kashi, stop. Show me your rough books, Kashi. Yes.
I wrote.
Okay, so I hope everybody is ready with the lesson number and lesson name, isn't
I'm
it?
finished.
Okay. So lesson 8, food production. That is the chapter. So here you can see children. Here these are the pictures of some places where we can produce these food items, right? Food items. So here in the first picture, I will ask those only to answer. Ameya, from this first picture, what is the thing that we get it? Wait. I heard some coconut. Okay. Ryan Rijo. Okay. Wait. Mute your audio, everyone. Some disturbing sound. It is Devadat. Mute your audio.
in the rough book.
Wait. So in the first picture, Ameya told we will get coconut from it. Do we want coconut for as for our food? As our, yes,
Coconut
sure.
Coconut milk.
Not
Yes,
only
ma'am.
coconut milk, coconut is an ingredient for our so many dishes, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Product.
Okay.
Hurry.
Wait. The next one. Yes. Wait. Lionel, Ivan Matthew, switch on your video. Ivan Matthew, I want to get the answer from you. Ivan Matthew, switch on your video. Let me see your face. Lionel, Faihan, Ivana. Okay, Ryan Riju,
I have
can
some
you?
problem in my computer.
Okay, Ryan Riju, can you see this picture? Second picture, I wrote it as second. Put the tick mark. Okay, can you tell me what is the thing which we get it from this one, this part? Ryan,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What we will get it from there? Think. Everyone think it.
Ma'am.
It is not to store. Ryan.
Rice.
Rice, we will get, it is a paddy field, isn't it? It is a paddy field from which we can produce rice.
Smell, right?
Okay, Nived, nice. Can you tell me what may be this one? From that one, what we will get?
Rice.
It is not rice, it is the wheat. Okay, wheat. It is golden in color. It is the wheat.
Paddy means smell, right?
Paddy field. Okay, producing rice. So here children, in these all, say we can produce different food items. Isn't it? Food items from one piece of land. In the second picture, you can see from one piece of land, we can cultivate rice. Using that one, we can have our food. In one piece of land, we can plant lots of coconut. From that, we will get, isn't it? A coconuts, which we can use it as our food. It is also, is in these all places, whatever it is produced, is it only for their own use, personal use?
No.
No, it is not for their own use. It will be more than their use. So what they will do? Wait, Niranjana. What you are thinking? What they will do if it is more than their use?
They'll sell it in the market.
Yes, they will sell it in the market. So we can call them, these are the producers, right? They are the producers. So can you tell me, can anyone, those who know the name, raise your hand. Can you tell me what is the name that we can call those people producing these all things? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. It is a common. Nived. Yes, Nived. Yes. What is that name? Farmers. Very good. Farmers. See, sometimes some of your grandparents or parents may be farmers. Isn't it? Farmers means the person who produce these food items. Okay. So here, let me give the definition of these all things. Okay. So first we want to know about farm. Okay, farm. Okay, a farm is a piece of land used to grow crops. So in this picture, you can see we used this piece of land for growing crops. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So here also, isn't it? It is a what it is grapes. It is cultivated. In this one, you can see so many things. Sunflower.
Sunflower, carrot,
Sunflower, tomato.
So you can see it here. So many things. Sunflower, okay, carrots. Then see in this picture, Revadat, can you tell me? I tick mark one picture. What is the crop that here it is produced, Devadat?
and sugarcane.
Very good. Excellent. Likewise, you want to answer it. Okay. Don't jump on anywhere. Students. So then strawberry. So you can see a lot of things here. And see, I think these pictures also are familiar too. Isn't it? Christo, in this picture, what it is there in the ticked one?
Ma'am, which one?
Tick marked one. I put a tick mark on one of the picture. What it?
Grass.
Huh?
Grass.
Wait. Anthony, what is there in that one? Anthony,
Grass. It is chicken.
chickens. Okay, chicks. You see, it is a poultry farm, right? Poultry farm, right? See, some of you in your house also, some of you may have this poultry farm. Is there anybody is having poultry farm? Amal Fayaz. Those who have the poultry farm. For poultry farm means where a place where we can grow or rear. Okay, we can rear these chicks. How many of your houses is it like that? Ajibichan, it is there. Amal Fayaz, it is there. Okay, so Amal, how many chicks are there at your home? Gurujit also. Okay. George, not George. Amal Fayaz, how many chicks are there?
Chicks. It's ducks.
Ducks. Okay, how many are there?
13 like that.
Wow, very good. 13. So I can call. Who is taking care of these ducks, Amal? Are you?
Father and mother.
Father and mother. Okay. So if I call your father and mother as farmers, is it right? Farmers. Is it right? Yes, it is right. You may have some confusion. If we call them as farmers, those who are rearing, those who are growing or taking care of animals, these are also called farmers. Clear? Is it clear? Jibichan, what is there at your home, Jibichan?
Chicken.
How many are there?
30.
30. So poultry farm, isn't it? That is called poultry farm. So in that case, I can call your parents also as farmers. Am I right, Jibichan?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So farmers means the person. Farmers means the person who grow crops and also rear animals, take care of animals for the use. Okay.
I have a cat. So I'm party.
From the cat, what you are getting, Christo? Are you getting any food from cat? Are you killing it and eating that cat?
No.
No. So in that case, you are taking care of the cat as your pet, not as for food. Am I right? Am I right?
Oh, yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the case of Amal Fayaz and Jibichan, they are taking the in Amal Fayaz house, they are taking the eggs from the ducks. Am I right, Amal? Yes. After their use, if it is more, I think if 30 ducks are there, means it is not only for your use. You may be selling it in the shops and you are getting money for it, right?
Yes.
Right? Yes, very good. Well done. And in the same case, with the bitchen also. You are giving, you are taking the eggs from it. Sometimes, if somebody comes and takes the chicks or the ducks, you may give it for producing meat, for killing it also, isn't it? Yeah, that's a food. So, wait, Catherine. Amal,
Ma'am. Yes, some will come here and take.
buy the ducks, isn't it? It is not taking their own, they are giving money and buy. Okay. So,
Ducks.
children, you should understand here. These are is that that one and Christo, what he said, is it same type? No, in Kashi's house, we can see he showed us so many dogs. So can we call Kashi's parents as farmers?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay.
Fish.
Fish. Okay. George, is it fish are there at your home?
No, but my
grandfather's
house.
Okay. Yes, Catherine, what you want?
Yes, I actually have a like fish farm and I have quills at home. And I have fish in the well.
Okay.
In my home, big fish farm.
Okay. So children, so I in this sense, I can say in your home also, your parents also are farmers. Isn't it? So first of all, we can see in the here, you can see cattle. These cattle are taking care, reared. Okay, reared means we are taking care of. Reared, R-E-A-R-E-D, reared means we are taking care of these animals.
Ma'am is got the.
That is also got farm, cattle farm, buffaloes.
My uncle and aunt have.
Okay. So like this, we can, like this, we can have lot of farmers. I think in our class, so many farmers are there, isn't it? So first of all, we can understand what is a farm. A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals. What do you mean by raise? Take care. Raise means to take care. Okay. So in Amal's house, there may be a place where you are keeping the ducks there. In Jibichen's house, there may be a place where chicks were kept, poultry farm, right? So a piece of land, it is prepared for taking care for them, right? If somebody's house, if it is cattle are there, goats are there, they are keeping some place. If you are rearing some fish, okay, fish, you might have to keep a small piece of land where you can fill the water and you can rear these fish. Am I right, children? Are you understanding this all? Christo? Rear means taking care. Raising means we are bringing them, we are giving food to them, we are making them to grow. After that, after a particular time, we can sell it or we can take the products out of it. That is called rearing, raising. Understood? So here we want to know the new word, farm. I think you already heard this word farm, right? What is the meaning of this word farm?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals, ma'am.
Farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals. Write down this, children. Everyone note down. Ivan, Ivana, Zahra. What is meant by what do you mean by farm? What do you mean by farm?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals.
Okay. So, Amal Fayaz, do you have farm at your home? Amal?
No, ma'am.
See, again he is saying no, ma'am. Amal, so where you are keeping that ducks? You simply kept it on the road.
No, ma'am.
Then tell me, where you are keeping that ducks? In a shed. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or shed or in a pond? Where it is? Tell me.
Shed.
Huh?
Shed.
Shed. So shed is called a farm. That is a piece of land where you are raising that one. Understood? So do you have a farm, duck farm?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So another one. Jibichan, do you have farm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, not only for
have farm.
yes, not everyone. Okay. So this is called a farm. Okay, paddy field. This is called a farm. And coconut farm. This is also
I have
a
a farm.
which type of farm, Devadat?
A vegetable farm.
Okay, so these are called farm. And here also, this is also a farm. Here, these all are the sunflower farm, carrot farm. Okay, here all it is cultivating in a piece of land. That piece of land it is called. That piece of land it is called farm. Clear?
I have a doubt.
Ma'am, we also have farm.
Yes, yes, all. So you understood it, no? If it is the vegetable garden, that we can't say it as farm because there the production is very less. There it is produced only for your use, your personal use, right? Right? But in the case of Amal and Jibichan, it is not only for their use, they are selling it out. The products they are selling it. So there we can call it is farm.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Understood? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Okay.
rice also a farm.
Yeah. If you are have some paddy field, that it is a farm.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? If it is only spinach, a little quantity of spinach it is produced, we can't say it as a farm. But if you are producing it in large scale, then we can tell it as it is farm. Okay, so children, we can discuss about this in the next class. You just note down. Okay, Devadat, now it is 11:12 already. Other students are waiting. Other teacher is also waiting. So shall I wind up today's class?
Excuse me, ma'am. Happy hour.
Ma'am, can I
I didn't get any names for happy
Yeah,
hour.
okay.
Ma'am, I didn't get any